Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 4. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed how to find the missing digit. In this video we will learn addition and subtraction word problems. Today our topic is addition and subtraction word problems. A biscuit factory produces orange and vanilla flavor biscuits. One day it produced 276,389 biscuits of orange flavor and 173,412 biscuits of vanilla flavor. We have to find how many biscuits did it produce in total. How many less vanilla biscuits did it produce? If the total number of biscuits to be produced was 500,000, how many less biscuits did the factory produce? First of all, we will find out how many biscuits did it produce in total. It produced 276,389 biscuits of orange flavor and 173,412 biscuits of vanilla flavor. We will add them to get the total number of biscuits that factory produced. We start from units. We will add 9 and 2. If we add 9 and 2, we get 11. We will write 1 in units column and we will carry forward 1 to tens. Now we will add tens. In tens we have to add 1, 8 and 1. If we add 1 and 8, we get 9. In 9, if we add 1, we get 10. We will write 0 in tens column and we will carry forward 1 to hundreds. Now we will add hundreds. In hundreds column there is 1, 3 and 4. If we add 1 and 3, we get 4. In 4, if we add 4, we get 8. We will write 8 in hundreds column. Now we will move towards thousand. In thousands column there is 6 and 3. If we add 6 and 3, we get... Yes students, add 6 and 3 and tell me the answer. We get 9. We will write 9 in thousands column. And then we will move towards 10,000s column. In 10,000s column there is 7 and 7. We have to add 7 in 7. If we add 7 in 7, we get 14. We will write 4 here and we will carry forward 1 to 100,000s. Now we will add 100,000s. In 100,000 there is 1, 2 and 1. If we add 1, 2, we get 3. In 3, if we add 1, we get 4. We will write 4 in 100,000s column. Factory produced 449,801 biscuits in total. Now we will find how many less vanilla biscuits did it produce. The factory produced orange flavor biscuits 276,389. And the factory produced 173,412 vanilla flavored biscuits. To find out the number of less vanilla biscuits did the factory produce, we will subtract the number of biscuits of vanilla flavor from the number of biscuits of orange flavor. First of all, we will subtract units. We will subtract 2 from 9. Take away 2 units out of 9 units and tell me the answer. If we take away 2 units out of 9 units, we get 7 units. Now we will move towards tens. We have to subtract 1 10 out of 8 10. If we subtract 1 10 out of 8 10, we get 7 10. If we subtract 1 10 out of 8 10, we get 7 10. Now we will move towards hundreds. We have to take away 4 hundreds out of 3 hundreds. But we cannot take away 4 hundreds out of 3 hundreds. What will we do now? We cannot take away 4 hundreds out of 3 hundreds. In this case, we take borrow. We take borrow from thousands, as there are 6 thousands. If we take one borrow, here we are left with 5 thousands. As we have taken 1000 as borrow, or 10 as there are 10 hundreds now, we have taken as a borrow, and we have 3 hundreds already. It makes 13 hundreds. Now we can easily subtract 4 hundreds out of 13 hundreds. From 13 hundreds, if we take away 4 hundreds, we get 9 hundreds. Now we will move towards thousands. We have to subtract 3000 out of 5000. If we take away 3000 out of 5000, we get, very good, we get 2000 here. After the subtraction of 1000, we will move towards 10,000. We have to subtract 7 10,000s out of 7 10,000s. If we subtract 7 out of 7, we get 0. We get 0. Now we will subtract 100,000. We have to take away 100,000 out of 200,000. If we take away 1 out of 2, we get 1. 102,977 less vanilla biscuits did the factory produce. Now we will find if the total number of biscuits to be produced was 500,000. How many less biscuits did the factory produce? As factory has to produce 500,000 biscuits, but it produced 449,801 biscuits. Now we will subtract this number from 500,000. We start from units. First of all, we will subtract 1 unit out of 0 unit. As we cannot take away 1 unit out of 0 units, so we take borrow. We borrow from 500,000 because this is non-zero digit. If we take borrow from 100,000, here we are left with 400,000. Now we will take borrow from 10,000. If we take borrow 1 10,000, here we are left with 9 10,000s. Now we will take borrow from thousands. If we take 1000 borrow, here we are left with 9,000s. Now we will take borrow from hundreds. If we take 100 as a borrow, here we are left with 900s. Now we will take borrow from tens. As we have 10 tens, we will take 1 10 as a borrow, and here we are left with 9 tens. Now we can easily subtract 1 unit out of 1 tens, or we can say that we can subtract 1 unit out of 10 unit. If we subtract 1 unit out of 10 unit, here we are left with 9. From 10 units we will subtract 1 and we will get 9. Now we will move towards tens. We have to subtract 0 tens out of 9 tens, and here we are left with 9. Now we will move towards hundreds. We have to subtract 800 out of 900. If we subtract 800 out of 900, we are left with 100. Now we will subtract thousands. Now we will subtract 9,000s from 9,000s. If we take away 9,000s out of 9,000s, here we are left with 0. Now we will move towards 10,000s. We have to subtract 4 10,000s out of 9 10,000s. Now subtract 4 out of 9 and tell me the answer. We are left with 5. We are left with 5. Now we will move towards 100,000s. We have to subtract 400,000 out of 400,000. If we take away 400,000 out of 400,000, we are left with 0. We don't write 0 in the highest place value. It means 50,199 less biscuits did the factory produce. In this video, we have discussed addition and subtraction word problems. In the next video, we will discuss some more addition and subtraction word problems. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.